know, I like to cook with people as often as I can. Great. It makes it more fun as long as it's someone like Deb and a handful of other friends that I have that we have a similar aesthetic. Then not only is it fun, but I can make sure that the food tastes good. So pretty. All right. See you in a bit.
Ciao.
Say like, no, don't cut it like that. Why are you adding this? Don't forget a little salt. I like it acid. It's got to go in that plate. But when it's sort of like your right hand, and whatever we cook together would be as if I was cooking it all by myself. I'm happy to cook together and really looking forward to the dinner party we're having tonight. So we're gonna do the lamb, and then I think we're gonna see if Michael will light the fire around 5.
Okay.
Is that enough time? Because
Yeah, I think that's plenty.
people are coming at 6:30.
Okay.
We're gonna sit down and first eat some condimenti that I did with that already,
Wonderful.
and then the lamb. So 5 o'clock,
Okay.
does that seem like
I
too
think
early?
5 o'clock
or
is, I think 5 o'clock is good.
How big a bowl you want? You want a big one?
That's
You want
perfect.
it smaller?
This one's great. And then a spoon.
I know you don't know this kitchen that well, so you
Right.
want a spoon
I need a little
for
spoon to pull some of these spices out.
small enough. I have littler ones.
Yeah, this one's pretty. The
Okay,
gelato
look
spoons.
at-
I love this.
I feel like a nurse. Okay, what else do you want, doctor?
That's it. Can I ask you to toast these for me, please?
Yes.
Thank you. Nancy is toasting some coriander seeds.